Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's go on a ride on this bad boy. It's a Yamaha. The bike's already warm, so we're just gonna pop it in gear and go. It's a little bit windy today, but it's still very warm. It's about 85 degrees. The bike I am driving is a Yamaha FC9. It's a street bike, 900 cc's. It's a very comfortable bike for short cruises like this. And it's also very powerful. I mean, 900 cc's. I used to be not a big fan of these roundabouts, but now, coming to think about it, they're actually very convenient. It's definitely beautiful outside right now. If you guys are watching this, it's definitely beautiful. Very beautiful day outside. Very warm. It looks like there's a car behind us tailgating us very close. I know I'm driving 27 and a 35, but still there's 2 lanes. She looks like she's on her phone as well. Be safe out there, you guys. Yeah, she looks really tired. I hope you get some rest, lady. Drive safe, lady.